Hello, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. What I have for you today is a paper crafting haul. I had purchased some items for junk journaling before I did, or around the same time that I did that other haul, but they hadn't come in yet. Well, they're here now, so I wanted to show you what I have. I pick things up from scrapbook.com, from Amazon, from Joann's, and Michael's. And I don't think I got anything at Hobby Lobby, okay? So the first thing that I picked up is this Distress crayons, and I've really been wanting to start using these. These, I got more of the, I wonder if it says you get 6 crayons. This is more of like the grungy sort of set, like the darker colors. I'm going to go, I think, to Joann's and see if I can pick up some brighter colors because I want to start coloring some little ephemera that I punch out with dies. Okay, so I picked that up. Then I picked up this Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous composition and lined. Okay, and these, I wanted something that just looked like lines on paper. And I have some ideas for it, so I picked this up. And then this side looks more like the composition book, that cover of it. So I'll flip it over and let you see them. I think you could do so much. You could put this on tags. The sky's the limit with what you can do with that, okay? Then I saw Elizabeth Craft Designs, and I picked this up. It's the Correspondence from the Past one, CS324, and I love these. You can make your own little postcards or letters. This would make a great letter. You could make your own labels with this. I just loved everything that was on there. It has a lot of handwriting. It has signatures. It has dates, which you know I love. Look at that. You could make the prettiest labels with this. And these like stamps. Okay. Then I picked up Correspondence from the Past 2 from Elizabeth Craft Designs. And this is CS324. I love that little airplane. Once again, handwriting. And look at that. It looks like a little check. Dates. I cannot wait to start making some vintage labels. And then I picked this up from Elizabeth Craft Designs. It's the Retro Labels 2. It's CS326. And look at this. Name, address, city, state, zip, and phone. You could make a beautiful label with that. Then it says special delivery, and then you have all of these. So I cannot wait to start playing with these. Then I picked up some Distress Oxide Spray. This is an antique linen, and naturally you have to shake it up really well, but I want to start also taking some die cuts and spritzing them and see what I can do. And then I picked up the Distress Spray Stain from Tim Holtz in old paper. I thought the two of these would probably give us a really good look. So that's everything that I got from scrapbook.com. Now, from Amazon, I picked up this Tim Holtz Dragonfly. Look at that intricate design right there. I think it is so beautiful. You could put this either on a book page or you could put it on tags. I mean, it all wouldn't fit, but you could put half or just the wing or whatever. I just think there's so much you can do with this, and I can take my sprays and spritz them, or I could take my Distress Oxides. So stay tuned. Then from Amazon, I have the entomology stamps, but I never got the die cuts. You get 15 dies with this. They're the framelits, and it is 663068. And I'm wanting to make, I have so much in my mind I want to do. I'm wanting to make an ephemera, not an ephemera. I'm wanting to make a junk journal that is entomology. And I thought that would be so cute. So I got those. You can just see all those little bugs. And with my distress crayons, I can color these that I cut out and make them look, I'd like to make them look real, okay? And maybe do some specimen slides, but that's why I said I need to get some more vibrant colors. I've got some of these, but I need some more of this like, okay? Then I went to Joann's and I saw these Tim Holtz Ideology keyholes. And it comes with the little brads that you can put in. And I thought, I want to make some more I want to take a box and make something to hold my ephemera with. And I thought this might make a pretty closure, or it'd be beautiful for a junk journal closure, okay? And you get 5 of these. And like I said, you get the brads. They're 5 keyholes, okay? And then, I don't know why I got this. They're the baseboards, but it looked interesting. Let's take them out. So this is what all you get. Oh, I already love that. Oh, look at that. Pretty sure he had a stamp like that or something at one point. Oh, the domino. Look at that. You could hang that off of a journal. He just has the neatest antique vintage ephemera. I love them. Look at that. Grape soda. It looks like a cap top. There's various sizes in here. Once again, you could hang that. Oh, look at this. Oh, and a little ruler. I love rulers. I'm on the lookout for some washi tape that looks like a ruler. Think I found some on Amazon. Look at this. Crayons. Tickets. I mean, he just has tons of stuff. Look at all the goodies. Oh, I love that. So many goodies. Oh, that looks like a tin. Just look at all this. I love it. Such fun. Another ruler. Be still my heart. I can't stand it. Then look. Another ruler. So far, I've counted 3 rulers in here. Shift key. Love it. Okay. So we'll move this out of the way. Then I picked up this Tim Holtz Ideology craft stock in the metal classics. I have some ideas for this. You get the copper, the gold. Well, really, this is like a bronze. The gold, the silver, like a rose gold, and a different color gold. And then that, I don't know if that's kind of like a copper or what. But I'm looking forward to working with this. Like I said, I have so many ideas. Okay, then I went to Michael's. And I picked up some Distress Oxide in these colors. I picked up Salty Ocean, Faded Jeans, and I don't know what this one is. Let me see. And in Wilted Violet. So I think these are going to be fun. I could use these also with this. I mean, I just, like I said, I got a lot of ideas swirling around in my head. Then I wanted to get his Distress blending brushes. I got 2. They came in a 2-pack. You can use this for your crayons. And I heard him say one time he keeps one of his brushes dedicated to his browns. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm glad I've got 2. Then when I did my craft room clean with me on my other channel, the Magnolia Housewife, I told them, or if you watched, I know a lot of you watch both channels, so I told you that I needed a tin to hold my mini ink. So this holds 12 of this Distress ink, and I cannot wait to put that in there. I think that will be so handy. And then I needed something to put more little ephemera in. I mean, I'm running out. I have filled the other one totally up. So I got this Simply Tidy storage case, and it has 24 removable dividers. You can customize your compartments, which I like. So I picked that up. So that is everything that I picked up for this paper crafting haul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.